Join me as I take on the challenge of making the best paper airplane that flies the farthest using this Galaxy Fighter tutorial. Welcome to the Galaxy Fighter tutorial, where you'll learn to create an easy paper airplane that soars far and impresses everyone. Many paper airplanes fail to fly well due to improper folding techniques or design flaws. It's frustrating when you spend time folding a plane, only to have it crash or flop around. Today, we'll tackle that problem head-on. We're going to create a plane that's designed for distance and agility, and I'll show you the techniques to make it happen. A good paper airplane is all about the basics: a sturdy structure, balanced wings, and a nose that's designed for lift. When you get these elements right, you'll be amazed at how far your plane can fly. So, let's get started and see what makes the Galaxy Fighter so special. One of the biggest mistakes people make when folding a paper airplane is not following the instructions carefully. It's easy to get sloppy or impatient, but trust me, it's worth taking your time to get it right. The Galaxy Fighter has a few tricky folds, but don't worry, I'll guide you through them step by step. With a little practice, you'll be folding like a pro in no time. And remember, the key to a successful flight is a well-made plane. So, take your time, and let's move on to the folding process. You'll follow along as I demonstrate the folding process step by step, sharing tips to ensure your Galaxy Fighter can achieve maximum distance. The first step is to take your sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure the edges are crisp and sharp, and then open it up and fold it in half again, this time widthwise. This will help you create a center crease that's essential for the plane structure. From here, we'll start to create the wings and nose of the plane, using a combination of folds and tucks to get the shape just right. As we work through the folding process, I'll point out some common mistakes to avoid and share some tips for getting the most out of your plane. It's all about attention to detail and taking your time. And don't worry if your first few attempts don't turn out perfectly. With a little practice, you'll be creating Galaxy Fighters like a pro. The key is to be patient and not get discouraged if your plane doesn't fly well at first. Keep trying, and you'll eventually get the hang of it. Watch as I reveal the secret adjustments that can significantly enhance the airplane's aerodynamics, leading to impressive flight results. One of the most important things to get right is the angle of attack. This refers to the way the wings meet the air as the plane flies. If the angle is too shallow, the plane will stall and fall, but if it's too steep, it will nosedive and crash. Getting the angle just right is crucial for a smooth, stable flight. Another key factor is the balance of the plane. If the nose is too heavy or the tail is too light, the plane will be unstable and hard to control. But when everything is balanced just right, the Galaxy Fighter can really soar. As we put the finishing touches on our Galaxy Fighter, I'll show you some advanced techniques for fine-tuning the plane's performance. These are the secret adjustments that will take your plane from good to great. From tweaking the wing shape to adjusting the tail, these little adjustments can make all the difference in the world. And don't worry if it takes a little experimentation to get it just right, that's all part of the fun. In this final stage, we'll put our plane to the test and see how far it can fly. I'll share some tips for getting the most out of your plane, from finding the right throwing technique to reading the wind and conditions. With a little practice, you'll be flying your Galaxy Fighter like a pro. In summary, we've covered the essential steps and tips to create your own Galaxy Fighter, ready to take to the skies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment about your flying experience. And check out my other paper airplane videos for more fun designs.